Titchfield High is represented by Romaine Smith, Jamani Parkinson, Quayne Smith, and Alex Anderson. Westwood High is represented by Tiana Brown, Akiva Powell, Tanae Johnson, and Isenia Robinson. Now, only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Match 7 in round 3 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Archibald Gordon. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Now, earlier we had the toss. Titchfield High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Titchfield High in the category Geography and with 4 minutes on the clock. Titchfield High, what is considered as the deepest lake in the world? That's correct. Westwood High Geography. What is the southernmost, shallowest, and smallest by volume of the 5 Great Lakes?
Lake Erie.
That's correct. Titchfield High International Affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Mozambique.
That's correct. Westwood High International Affairs, also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
That is Mauritius.
That's correct. Titchfield High English Language. Identify the adverb or adverbs in this sentence. Paul's pets go everywhere he goes.
Everywhere.
That's correct. Westwood High English Language. Identify the adverb or adverbs in this sentence. Walking briskly is healthy exercise.
Briskly.
That's correct. Titchfield High Music and audio question. Please listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
I said them tired of mediocre. Evil a go fall when we tried in Ethiopia. Believing from down.
Here comes trouble.
By Chronix. That's correct. Westwood High Music, also an audio question. Please listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. Oh, in our eyes and boast.
Toast.
By Coffee. That's correct. Chemistry, Titchfield High. What is the chemical formula for acetic acid?
ASOH.
That's incorrect. It is CH3COOH. Chemistry, Westwood High. C3H6O3 is the chemical formula for which acid?
Propanoic acid.
Incorrect. That's lactic acid. Okay. Titchfield High Theatre and Cinema, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the local actor.
Christopher Johnny Daly.
That's correct. Westwood High Theatre and Cinema, also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the local actress.
All right.
Dorothy Cunningham.
Also called Miss Zella. That's correct. Titchfield High General Knowledge. What are the 4 suits in a standard deck of playing cards?
4 suits? As in the ace. No man, ace. I'm as in. So it's heart, diamond, spin and club.
That is correct. Well, Westwood High General Knowledge. How many cards are there in each suit in a standard deck of playing cards?
13.
That's correct. Titchfield High Sports, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Franz Beckenbauer.
That's incorrect. That's John McEnroe, former tennis great. Westwood High Sports, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Good. Steffi Graf.
Also a former tennis player. That's correct. Titchfield High Mathematics. What is 420 expressed in surd form?
7 root 2.
Incorrect. It's 2 root 105. Westwood High mathematics. What is 500 expressed in third form?
That's 180, 180, 180, 60 plus 10, 4 times 520. So that's 3 root 2.
Incorrect. It's 10 root 5. And that's the end of the opening challenge. And the scores are Titchfield High on 6th and Westwood High on 7th. When we come back, it will be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.